Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into our countdown of the top 5 best electric handheld stick blender to help you elevate your culinary game. You are watching Best Product, and we have some incredible picks for you today. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the BioloMix HB3302 Electric Handheld Stick Blender. The BioloMix HB3302 Electric Handheld Stick Blender redefines convenience and efficiency in the kitchen with its thoughtfully designed features. Constructed with durable stainless steel, this blender promises long-lasting performance and effortless maintenance, making it a reliable companion for daily culinary tasks. All attachments are crafted from 100% BP-free materials, prioritizing safety and ensuring that every meal prepared is free from harmful chemicals. Equipped with a powerful 1200W motor, the HB3302 effortlessly tackles a variety of ingredients, from soft fruits to tough vegetables, delivering smooth, consistent results every time. Its multi-speed control with 6 adjustable settings, complemented by a turbo mode, allows for precise blending, whether creating velvety soups, creamy sauces, or perfectly textured smoothies. The blender's versatile 5-in-1 functionality makes it a true all-in-one kitchen tool. Beyond its immersion blending capabilities, it includes a chopper for quick food prep, a whisk for eggs or batter, and a smoothie cup for on-the-go convenience. Its design accommodates both small and large quantities, ensuring adaptability for any recipe. Compact yet powerful, the BioloMix HB3302 blends performance, safety, and versatility into a single appliance. Its ergonomic construction ensures comfort during use, while the high-speed motor and multiple attachments empower both amateur cooks and seasoned chefs to experiment with different textures and preparations. Next, at number 4, is the Rouny H6 Electric Handheld Stick Blender. The Rouny H6 Electric Handheld Stick Blender brings professional-level blending into your kitchen with unmatched ease and precision. At the heart of this versatile appliance is a powerful German-designed all-copper motor engineered for balanced performance and long-lasting durability. This motor is capable of handling continuous use while delivering a smooth, almost silent operation, making every mixing task faster and more efficient. Its durability is noteworthy, lasting up to 3 times longer than conventional motors. Designed with quality in mind, the Rouny H6 features a 304 stainless steel body and blade, ensuring robust performance and effortless control. The stainless steel construction allows for delicate and precise blending of even the toughest ingredients, turning cooking into a simpler, more enjoyable experience. Its ergonomic handle provides comfort and stability during one-handed operation, while the high-quality blade makes cleanup straightforward, saving time in the kitchen. Equipped with 14 highly accurate speed settings, this blender offers flexibility to handle any recipe, from light whisking to heavy-duty mixing. The splash-proof design further enhances usability, minimizing mess by keeping ingredients contained in the bowl, beaker, or stock pot. Instant mixing is complemented by reduced suction and splatter, allowing you to focus on cooking rather than cleaning. The Rouny H6 is more than just a blender. It is a reliable kitchen companion that combines German-engineered power, high-quality materials, and thoughtful design. Coming in at number 3, we have the Haoyunma Electric Handheld Stick Blender. The Haoyunma Electric Handheld Stick Blender is a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify everyday food preparation. This multifunctional handheld electric food processor combines the capabilities of 4 appliances into one compact device, making it an ideal choice for both busy households and culinary enthusiasts. Its 4-in-1 design allows it to function as a blender, juicer, chopper, and frother, providing flexibility for a wide range of recipes. Powered by a robust 1000W motor, the Haoyunma blender handles ingredients quickly and efficiently, whether you're preparing smoothies, purees, or finely minced meat. The 5 adjustable speed settings offer precise control, allowing users to tailor the blending intensity to suit different types of food and achieve consistent results every time. Its stainless steel stick blender is built for durability and safety, ensuring long-lasting performance while maintaining hygiene standards. This handheld processor is especially practical for creating small volume juices and preparing nutritious meals for babies, thanks to its quick and easy meat mincing capabilities. With voltage options of 110V and 220V, it can be used in a variety of households worldwide with compatibility issues. The compact and ergonomic design also makes it convenient to handle and store, eliminating the need for multiple appliances in the kitchen. From smoothies and sauces to pureed baby food and whipped beverages, this blender brings speed and efficiency to your routine. Our runner-up at number 2 is the BioloMix HB1200 Electric Handheld Stick Blender. The BioloMix HB1200 Electric Handheld Stick Blender is a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify food preparation. Equipped with a powerful 1200W motor and a turbo boost mode, this immersion blender makes whipping up soups, sauces, smoothies, and milkshakes faster and more efficient. Its strong blending capabilities allow you to work with fresh, natural ingredients, making it ideal for healthy homemade meals and drinks. This handheld blender is more than just a blender. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool. From blending and chopping to whisking, it can handle a wide range of culinary tasks. You can easily prepare baby food, dips, sauces, mayonnaise, chutneys, whipped cream, and even cake batters. Its versatility ensures that one tool can replace multiple kitchen gadgets, streamlining your cooking process and reducing clutter. Assembly and cleaning are straightforward with a BioloMix at 1200. The snap-on/off detachable attachments make it simple to connect, disconnect, and clean each component. Unlike traditional blenders, which often have cumbersome parts, this handheld blender allows for quick rinsing and effortless maintenance, saving both time and effort in the kitchen. Designed with compactness and durability in mind, the HB1200 is perfect for kitchens with limited counter space. Its blend of BP of free plastic and 304 stainless steel ensures safety, longevity, and consistent performance. The ergonomic design also adds to its ease of use, providing a secure and comfortable grip during operation for all your homemade recipes. And finally, our top pick for the Rouny H4 Electric Handheld Stick Blender. The Rouny H4 Electric Handheld Stick Blender redefines home cooking with its combination of power, versatility, and durability. At the heart of this appliance lies AMA X1500WL copper motor, engineered for high performance and long-lasting reliability. This ensures that every blending task, from whipping smoothies to pureeing soups, is handled with ease and efficiency. The stepless speed control allows seamless adjustment, letting you process ingredients from coarse chunks to ultra-fine textures with just a simple push, making one-handed operation effortless. Built for versatility, the H4 comes with a 6-in-1 multi-accessory design, expanding its functionality far beyond a traditional blender. Whether preparing sauces, crushing ice, or whipping cream, the blender adapts to a variety of kitchen tasks, empowering users to explore new recipes and culinary techniques. Its high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel blade ensures sharpness and durability while remaining hygienic and easy to maintain. Every component is BPA-free, and most fittings are machine washable, streamlining cleanup and promoting safe food preparation. The Rouny H4 isn't just about power, it's about enhancing your kitchen experience. From effortless blending to exploring creative cooking possibilities, this handheld stick blender supports a more efficient and enjoyable culinary routine. Its combination of robust construction, user-friendly design, and multifunctional capability makes it an essential tool for those looking to elevate home cooking to a professional standard. That concludes our review of the best blending tools on the market today. Check the price link in the description to find the best deal on your favorite model. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Best Product for more expert recommendations. Happy blending!